Another example, we have seen how beautifully the technical levels work. 2180, silver failed to breach. Likewise, gold too has dropped till 1850, and successfully these levels have provided very strong support to both gold and silver as well. So what to expect today? Important day. The CPI inflation will definitely bring a little volatility. What to expect today? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and stay tuned for the CPI data analysis just before the data, 1 hour before the data. Do watch that also. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Note down the levels. Trade as per the level. Now, see, first 1850 provided a very strong support. Yes, it was also trading outside Bollinger Bands. This is on the hourly charts here. Now, you can see this is trading bearish below 20-50 period moving average on the hourly charts. At the same time, if you look at the formation here, if you just connect the dots here, you will find that 1865 is something you should look out for only and only if gold trades above 1865 and specifically 1870. If these two levels are taken, then only we can expect that the gold might trade higher for 1880 and 1890 levels. Possibility exists that it can try to breach these levels with the data. There is a possibility for it. Now at the same time, look how beautifully so far it is trading in this channel. The highs of this channel now at 1865. I will wait for it to break, then only you can take a trade here. Now look at the hourly charts. After consolidating here, this is a breakout here for last 3 candles, and this means it is inching higher till towards 1860. Possibilities there, but then only buy level is above 1865. That is also very clear. Now look at directional movement trying to cross over for a buy entry here on the hourly charts. Stochastic is overbought, and if you look at MACD, this is crossed over, this is divergent, this is bullish, this is looking upwards, and hence till the time it trades above 1850 levels, certainly we should not think of selling gold for the day. Now let's have a detailed look here. See on the 2-hour chart. Now see, one more observation which I would like to share here is, look at the drop sizes after the consolidation. See this drop, this was an extended, you can say increasingly bearishness. Then this retracement, then this drop here, again bearish, and this smaller drop after the consolidation. See the move size has diminished, which means the bears have now, you can say, are done with the drop. That is what it appears, but we have to remain very cautious, as with the data definitely it will bring little bearishness and it has to sustain above the levels such that it can confirm. Now look at once again, if you just purely connect these levels, you will find that the lows and highs precisely trading within the zone, and for now 1860 levels are giving it a good resistance here, which are going to be very good resistance levels. But at the same time, you can buy above 1865 and expect that we may see a little resistance at 1870. Beyond that, only little bullishness is confirmed. Same observation. Right now it is trading in this bearish channel, and once it breaks below 1850, it will show you accelerated bearishness. Then we can see a sharper drop here too. That is also one point. See, right now it is trading bullish. Possibly we may see a good round of drop with the data. So this is a pre-data. You can say this is cooling down the indicators which might be trading oversold. Also, if you look at 2-hour charts, this is flat bottom here, and the last 2 candles have given it a little breakout. Also, these 2 candles may get of same size, which means above 1860 there could be little more rise which can be seen. Directional movement willing to cross over for a buy entry here. It is bearish still. The stochastic which was trading oversold has recovered. So this is what I was talking about. See, with the drop here, you can see stochastic has come to oversold levels, and now with little rise it is looking upwards again. Possibly before the data it can try to come to overbought levels and then try to drop again. There is a possibility for it. Now look at the MACD. Interestingly, MACD has taken a crossover here, and this is a bullish cross. You can see this, and this crossover is happening at a lower levels, which means that probably, and see this is trading stable here, so which means it can try to elevate it a little bit. It means possibly little bullishness can be seen before the data. And if you on 3-hour charts also see the bearishness getting diminished, trying to reverse here. I will wait for it to break past 1860 at least. Beyond 1860, you can initiate a buy entry. However, do not consider it bullish till the time it trades below 1865 and 1870. Only above 1870 it should be considered for a little buy, and then specifically till the time it trades below 1890 we have to remain cautious. First resistance 1890, then 1920 levels. If these two are taken, you can consider gold for a reverse. Now also look at previous three candles. You can find almost same highs on the 3-hour charts, higher lows, higher highs. So first, yes, if you see it trading below 1854, you can sell, but then 1852.50, only below 50, we can see further bearishness. Yes, at 1854, you can initiate a sell entry. That is one observation. At the same time, above 1860, you can buy. Those who this levels are just those who want to risk a little and profit with a little move here. So let's say if you're selling at 1854, 1852, $2, yes, this is also a good move for gold. You can book profit there, and then 1850 levels will come to the rescue. And yes, if you are trailing it, you have to keep the stop losses shifting or trailing so that in case of reversal, your trade closes in profit. On the upside, you can buy at 1860, but be cautious of 1865-70 zone, only above which you can consider this as bullish. So in between 1854-60, at least do not trade. Directional movement here is bearish. Stochastic is oversold. Looking forward to recovery. The MACD has taken a crossover. This is a bullish cross. This appears that it might take the prices higher. And if you look at 4-hour chart, now see on the 4-hour charts, you can see after consolidation for two candles, this is the first reversal candle. I'll wait for the next candle. If next candle appears to be green, certainly it will take the prices higher till towards 1865-70. So once you see it trading above 1860, you can buy, but then you have to remain alert. And with the stop loss at 1854, below 1854, certainly you can go for a sell, but then you have to be alert for 1850. Largely saying 1850-70 zone, you have to be cautious of. Those who do not want to risk anything, do not trade between 1850 and 70. Yesterday also I told you the same. Today again I am repeating the same here. Directional movement bearish, trying to converge. The stochastic at bottom trying to recover. The MACD is in green here. And if you look at the RSI is at bottom trying. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. And on the daily charts, what I meant was, see the bearish candles here, this candle and this candle consistently diminishing in size, which means decreasing bearishness. Now it is looking forward to a recovery, and yes, once it trades above this zone at 1870, yes, you can expect that it may rise more. Till that time, do not consider this for reversal. Those who want to risk, yes, you can buy at 1860, but then expect 1865, 64 levels first resistance, and then 1870 as the next resistance. At the same time, you can sell at 1854, expect 1847 and 1840 levels to get achieved. Remember, yes, after this step, if this is to be the first red candle, we can see quick red candles in succession. So even if it tries to recover till the time it trades below 1890, do not consider this as bullish, and hence take your trades accordingly. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic oversold on the daily charts. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI trading flat. Considering this, you have to remain cautious between 50 and 60. Those who want to book little profits on the upside and downside, you can buy at 1860 and sell at 1854. Be cautious on the upside till 1870, beyond which the next destination, the next resistance zone is 1880-90 levels. And once it breaks beyond 1890, more bullishness can be observed. Take your trades accordingly. On the downside below 1850 levels, remember this time it is going to give you accelerated bearishness, which might take the prices lower till towards 1840 and 20. Remember this fact, if it draws below 1850 levels, we can see accelerated bearishness taking the prices till towards 1840 and 1820 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Now so silver so far has got the support from the bottom of this channel at 2180, which is definitely a very strong support. It has respected this beautifully so far. Now if you look at the movement for silver, it is just trying to trade in this block here, and yes, it tried to, I told you yesterday also, 2210, 2220, these are the two levels. Only about 2220 you can expect that it may try to trade bullish. till 2140 every 10 cents you have to book your profits there. Now same thing is happening here. At the same time, if you look at hourly charts, it is creating a symmetry and higher lows, lower highs are seen. Once you see it trading beyond 2205, you can buy for 2210, 2220 and 2230 only, till 2240. Till 2240 every 10 cents matter. Only thing is I will look forward to first specifically at 2220 and then 2230 40 levels. If these two are broken, you can consider that we may see the next step at 2260 and 2280. In fact, 23 can be seen there if it continues to trade bullish. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic dropping, the MACD is in green, RSI is also flat at comfortable levels. If you look at 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, drop, consolidation, and now slighter drop, but again recovered a bit. So I'll wait for it to confirm for the breakout. Yes, you can buy 2205. See, this is the bearish channel, but look at these candles. It failed to break below 2180, which is a good indication that it is trying to create a base. And once it trades about 2205, you can buy for at least 2215, 20 levels, and beyond that 2240 levels can be seen there. Directional movement moderately bearish, stochastic overbought, the MACD is in green. RSI is also trying to look upward, show some strength there. And if you look at 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, likewise, right now it is trading bearish below the 20-50 100 period moving average. Wait for it to break past 2205. Yes, you can remain long, above which 2210, 2220 levels to be seen. 2220 indeed going to be a very, very good resistance. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic rising. The MACD is in green, it is divergent. RSI is trading flat here. And if you look at 4-hour charts, now see the 4-hour charts and see these two candles. These candles are in red, possibly beyond. See, it is leaving a long tail. It failed to breach past the lows of previous candles. So this means the next candle, once it breaks out beyond 2205, 2210 levels, certainly it will show you increasing bullishness. Now also look, multiple candles getting the support at 2180, making it a very, very strong support level on the downside. Wait for it to break past 2205, 2210, then certainly we can expect further bullishness there. Till the time, be alert. Directional movement bearish, stochastic as at comfortable levels. The MACD is divergent and bullish here, it is looking up. RSI trading flat near to bottom. And if you look at the daily chart, now look at the daily charts. On the daily chart, it appears, see the flat bottom there 2190, and it is trying to recover here. Possibly we may see it giving you higher highs, and which might take the prices a little higher till towards 2220, 2230. In fact, we can see it recovering further till towards 2260 and beyond levels. Now, if it continues to rises, I will be looking forward to $23 levels, which is going to remain the next resistance. What it is trying to do, it is trying to bring the prices till here, which might see little more bullishness in silver. But at the same time, one more observation here is the crossover between the 20 and 50 period moving average. This is a bearish zone for silver, as these are trading with divergence. You have to remain watchful and cautious. Directional movement here is bearish, stochastic is oversold, the MACD is bearish trying to converge here, RSI is trading at bottom. Considering this, for the day you can buy at 2205, but then see 2210, 2220, 22 till 2240, very, very strong resistance exists, and the next target is 2260. Beyond that, we may see it hitting $23 levels, which is going to be a very, very good resistance. Yes, $23 is going to provide a good resistance for silver, and yes, there is a possibility that it can reverse till there. On the downside, you have to be watchful of 2180, definitely below which you can sell, and then expect that we may see a little drop there. In fact, those who want to book a little profit can sell at 2190 itself. Wait for 2180, the first support and strongest support. Below that, see below 2180, the next strongest support is far below at 2150 levels. You have to be cautious and alert on the downside. But see, it is oversold on the daily charts, and hence it can try to raise the prices a little higher. Even if it has to drop, it may try to bring the prices little up before it looks forward to a drop. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Stay cautious with the trades today for the CPI data, as it may bring volatility, and hence you have to strictly trade with the trailing stop loss. Take your trades accordingly. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join Signals channel if you want to be a profitable trader. The next batch starts on first week of March. This is going to be the 20th batch. Do not miss this opportunity. Reserve your seats now itself. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.